Hey, I need new wheels for my ripstick, and apparently I need an Allen wrench to put them on. Do you know what an Allen wrench is? Yeah. Well, that's why I'm asking. No, should I ask around? Cool, okay. Yeah, just get back to me on that. Yeah, take your time. You don't need to rush. I'm just asking. Alright, cool. Bye.
Hello? Is this Rouse's? Yeah, y'all have an Allen wrench? Yeah, for like, yeah, an Allen wrench. Yeah, y'all do? Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Yo, Allen! What do you need? This kid needs you. Okay, I got you.
You needed me?
Yes, you needed me. I'm Allen Wrench.
Allen wrench?
Yes.
So your name's Allen Wrench?
Yes, it is.
Like the wrench?
Yeah.
Okay, my friend's address.
Okay.
Oh, gosh. When is supposed to be arriving today? Who the frig is that? Hello?
Hey, you needed me?
Who are you?
I'm Allen Wrench.
Like the wrench?
Yeah, your friend sent me here.
Your name is Allen Wrench.
Yeah.
Like the wrench?
Yeah?
Okay. Can you fix my wheels?
No, I can't.
Well, thank you anyway.
Okay. Bye.
Goodbye.